guys, this is tutorial video on how to make a slime. Hope you can enjoy it, follow it, and make your own slime at home. If you enjoy the video, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.
Here is stuff that you need. 1, 2 bowl, and then 1 spoon, 1 gum, glitter, and glue. The last is water.
First, put the glue in the bowl 4 tablespoons. Or put in a few drops of food coloring of your choice.
Pour a few soap.
A few drops of gum until the mold is hot sticks. And then the last, mix it well and done.
Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.